Hi guys, today we will explain how to add Shopify apps. This process is simple and easy. And for this, head over to the Shopify store and sign in your account on which you want to add apps. But before going any further, let me tell you the benefit of adding apps. These apps are provided by the Shopify and they will help you by boosting up your sell on Shopify. And for adding it, take a look on the left side, you will see multiple options. From these, you have to tap on the option apps. Here you will see multiple apps and let me tell you the benefit. This one is judge.me. This one is a review app. Boost sales with customer photos, videos and other social proof. It's also built by the Shopify. Scroll down and here you can see the option of Shopify Forms app. This one is collect information with pop-ups, overlays or inline forms. So in order to add any of these, click on this option and first download it and add it in your Shopify store and boost up your sales on Shopify.